On today's video for Art for Kiddos, we're going to be drawing an ostrich. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, we're going to start this ostrich. Again, I think this one's kind of funny. It's a funny ostrich here. Go ahead and start with the eyes. All right. Then we are going to go to the bill. Head, come around the bill, around the bill. All right, so we have that. Now we can go ahead and add the little eyes in. Let's go ahead and make that long ostrich neck. Fun fact, ostriches have 3 stomachs, in case you didn't know that. All right, now we're gonna make this puffy little collar almost around the ostrich neck. All right, and then next we're gonna make the body. So we will make it a little puffy at first, a little bit bigger. Back down. And we're gonna leave a little space right there. And that is where the ostrich's wing will go. Even though they can't really fly, or they don't fly at all. Little wings, and we'll make it kind of on the other side as well, just to show one there. Now we'll make a line there just to kind of show that's where the legs are going to start. And let's go ahead and bring down the first leg. Our ostriches are pretty fast. They have pretty big feet. Bring down the next one. All right, then I'm gonna draw some tail feathers back here. And then we're gonna add 2 little dots for its nose. We are done with the drawing part. There's your ostrich. Now again, it's your turn, like I always say. Color this ostrich whatever you want to color it. We'll go ahead and start with probably a pink for the neck. If you ever want to, you can just go to Google or somewhere, look up pictures of ostriches, and say, all right, I want to try to color mine like the one I see on the screen. You can do that. Or again, you can have, I know some of you are creative out there and you were like, you know what, my ostrich is going to be purple. Or my ostrich is going to be lime green. Or maybe you want your ostrich all black. Completely up to you. Get a yellow for the nose, just because I'm a fan of that one. And let's see, what kind? Let's go orange legs here. For me, I'm going to go with the orange legs on the turkey. Now, if you get some of that black smear when you're coloring, just remember depending on what markers you use, you can let that dry for just a little bit longer before you start to color. All right, great ostrich. Remember, last thing we've got every time, sign your name, and then you are set. Good looking ostrich. I bet you got one too.